In this video, I am going to show you how to download product videos from CJDropshipping. 1. Open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Type Web Store and press Enter. Click on the official link of the Chrome Web Store, usually the first result. Use the search bar at the top and find the Video Downloader Professional extension. Click on the extension to open its page and then click on Add to Chrome. Once it's done, launch Google Chrome and go to the CJDropshipping website. Browse through the products and find the one that contains a video you wish to download. Next, navigate to its page. Look for the green extension icon in the top right corner of your browser. Click on the extension and a download window will appear displaying all the video on the page. Locate the video you want to download and click on the download button next to it. Wait for the download to complete. The video will be saved to your device. After the download is finished, navigate to your device's download folder to locate the saved video. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. This video